Welcome, and today we have Super Saiyan 4 Goku. Now whether you like him, don't like him, think it's good, think it's trash, in my personal opinion, Super Saiyan 4 Goku is the best looking form of Goku. Don't get me wrong, I love the classic Super Saiyan form and his base form, but in my personal opinion, just the way the whole Super Saiyan 4 form looks, from the hair on his head to the hair on his body, to everything about the character design of Goku, the best looking form is Super Saiyan 4. A good chunk will agree with me, a good chunk will disagree with me. But that's perfectly fine because everyone is entitled to their own opinion. I looked forward to actually drawing this piece because obviously I just said, in my personal opinion, I just loved how Super Saiyan 4 looked. So I was eager to do it, but also kind of dreaded it a little bit just for the fact that this was the first character that had this much hair on his body, and to try to render the muscles underneath the hair and just to create everything and not just make it look completely flat. So it was a little challenging and tedious, but at the end result, totally worth it. So for here, the main light source, if you're wondering, it's in the top right hand corner. So everything that's on that part is lit up more. Everything that's the opposite is darker. So here I'm just going through that motion to determine to fully bring about where the main light source is at. So where shadow should be, where shadow should not be. Here I'm just continuing to just add that detail. Here I'm adding the hair, whether to bring about on it. I try to make this as much detail as possible without making it look too realistic, because I still wanted to keep it that anime look, but kind of just bring it about in my own type of style, you could say. So as far as coloring, here I use everything with the gradient map. And then after the gradient map, I just refine it and color it above it. The background, you'll see in here, I use a lot of radial blurs to get that explosion behind him, to then create the actual lighting effects in front of him, to just try to bring about like he's in the middle of this power up and attack. And here is the final piece of Super Saiyan 4 Goku. So what do you guys think of it? Do you like it? A little bit? Do you like it a lot? So if you like this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up? If you're new here, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new content that I put out every single week. And until next drawing, guys, which will be Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta, goodbye.